Well, folks, the STI build is finally finished. Is it really, though? Well, maybe you'll see it again in future episodes. You never know. Anyways, I've got some news for you. The entire time that the STI was being built and filmed, there were also a few other projects going on in the background. So on the rare occasion that a problem or issue arose with the STI, work could continue on something else in the background. And of course, by projects, I mean Subarus. And by few, I mean 5. Well, actually it ended up being 6 because I bought one along the way. Kind of did something that I said I wasn't going to do. Anyways, I dubbed it the Great Subie Swap. Is that gonna happen every time I say the Great Subie? All right, that's getting old. So as I was saying, the plan was to strip, swap, build all these Subarus that I had acquired. Okay, now a little context here. The reason I had so many Subarus, hi, my name is Justin, and is because they were all in various conditions. Bad engines and good chassis, built drivetrains with rotted unibodies, various parts and donor cars, so you can see how they add up. In order to pull off these swaps, all customer repairs stopped, and 100% of shop time was dedicated to these Subaru builds that I estimated to complete in about 6 weeks. So naive. Now that's a little over 1 week per car. Quite an ambitious time frame, yes. Hence the name, the Great Subie Swap. All right. If you've seen one Subaru build, you've seen them all. So here you go. Here's all at one time, condensed down into one action-packed. So we have a fair amount of smoke here. Death-defying. I mean, death-defying? Right in my face! Oh, I'm glad we caught that on camera. Emotional roller coaster. I'm amazed. I'm really hoping that this is a good sign. That's 2. We're still having pretty good luck with rusty bolts on this car. I'm like ecstatic right now. These threads pulled right out. That's probably gonna bottom out. This fuel injector in here is leaking and spraying all over the place. I've inflicted some battle damage here. Ow! Son of a bitch! That is the Great Subie Swap. What? No big intro then? That's where you needed it. Prepare for Nardo Gray. Fun additional wiring besides just swapping, I don't know, an entire wiring harness. Like that wasn't enough, so. 12 o'clock or not. I need blood now. This job is back to being commissioned to get finished. Customer equals money equals bills paid.
All right, you just want to check out, make sure I got high and low beams.
Hey,
I just kind of.
the horn works.
Does it?
Wow, yeah, hella works. Okay, condensed down into that short of a time doesn't seem that bad, but I can tell you it was absolute madness.
That sounds kind of ridiculous.
Trying to keep track of so many of the same type of cars at once. Parts scattered everywhere. Problems galore, from wiring harness merges to using one car's parts for another by accident because, hell, they all fit one another, they're all the same car. I mean, it was just crazy. Now, I'm not saying you won't see these cars again in future episodes, but there's still quite an inventory of other vehicles to flip and build, so a lot more fun stuff is coming your way. Appreciate everyone tuning in. I edited this video a little bit different than our previous episodes, so tell me what you think in the comments below. There is a lot more content coming your way because we have plenty more works in progress.
Ladies and gentlemen,
This is how it's done.
as if we've done this before.
And I didn't record any of that. That was really great. Fuck me.